Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to link Cash App to Dave App. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Dave App. And once you're inside here, be sure to be logged into your account as well. And now once you're logged into your account, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, here you'll be sent to your settings option. Now here under Dave Banking, you'll be seeing your account information. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, you'll be seeing your bank details. Now all you gotta do here is simply copy your account number, and once you copy your account number, the next thing is to open up the Cash App. And once you open up Cash App, what you need to do is simply tap on this $119, which will send you to their home. And once you do that, here you'll be seeing this option. Now all you got to do is simply tap on bank account, and once you tap on bank account, here's what you need to do is select the bank account that is connected to your Dave App. And once you have done with that, all you got to do is enter in the credentials like banking account number, your name. And if that doesn't work, then what you can do is use your debit card or credit card number to verify your bank. And once you are done with that, all you got to do is just simply go back, then simply again tap on this $120 or your home icon, and then all you gotta do here is tap on add cash, and here enter in the amount that you want to add, then tap on next. Then this page will show you to confirm your cash pin. Enter in your cash pin and then tap on next, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.